You guys know Mama loves a product. So I have come up with a video series highlighting the best of the best. And we're gonna call it the MVPs of the VIPs. And today we're gonna be starting with hair. I'm gonna show you my absolute MVP hair products. So these winter months, it's really hard on our hair gets really dry. We tend to over-process it, not leave it beachy. We tend to do too many things to it. This is what Tracy Cunningham, she does pretty much every Kardashian, Lopez, Chelsea Handler. I mean, she honestly does everyone's hair color. This is her MVP, her VIP. It's called Olaplex. And she makes us every time do a gloss with Olaplex. And you can get this at home, and it's a treatment for chemical use on the hair. It's called the Hair Perfector. I got 3 of these and they come in little bottles. You can get a big one, but it really does repair and strengthen. Number 3 is the formula that you look for. And honestly, it's great for all hair types, but this is the one that keeps it from breaking. This is the one that also keeps it really glossy. I will tell you, it goes on a little bit cold. Leave it on, so wash your hair, condition it, add this treatment, leave it on for 10, 12 minutes. I know you probably only have 5, which is okay, but I'm telling you, you do this once a week and it really makes a difference. It really will help your hair keep from breaking. I'm telling you, this is a VIP, and if you really wanna go extreme, you can put your hair in a plastic bag and sleep with this, and then it's real magic. We're talking, this is the gold, people, Olaplex. So I recently went to Cabo. I wanted something small that I could take. You guys know I'm all about Bumble and Bumble sea salt spray for my hair. I've kind of got a new one, not gonna lie. It's called French Girl, and yes, they do the bronzing oil. This is so good. It comes in a small container like this. You can spray it on dry, you can spray it on wet. It gives it that perfect kind of beachy hair without doing much. Yeah, you can add a little bit of curl if you need, but it's really, really good. Not too much salt where it dries it out and it feels kind of harsh, but it is a great product. It's French Girl, it looks great. It's sea salt spray, and it's just that. It's awesome. It has a little jasmine in it, French Girl sea salt spray. Okay, so this is something new that I've learned about, and it's a little bit expensive, and I've recently got it, but it's becoming an MVP. It's called Cake, okay? Look, great bottle. And it's a restorative scalp tonic. This is a great product. You put it in with wet hair, you leave it in, you do 1 drop or you massage it in and you leave it in. So it's a restorative scalp tonic. And it's great because, wait for it, you don't have to wash your hair as much as you use this. So it kind of gets the oil, cleans up a little bit, but also takes care of the scalp. And anytime when I do not have to wash my hair, it's a very important thing because I use a ton of dry shampoo. Cake, Scalp Restorative Tonic. Oh, because we love Jen Atkin and everything she does. But if you ask me for one finishing cream of the moment, it's hers. It's great. Flyaways, split ends, it's great. I use it when I wash my hair. After I put a little bit of product, I'll actually put in and scrunch it up a little bit just to keep it extra hydrated. It's good. It says, let's get real with Jen Atkin, and you're getting real with this product. It's like the MVP. If you have something in your bag, this should be it for your hair, the way. All right, so this is a new one. I've been using this for about 8 months. It's from Kerastase. I love Kerastase, I love their shampoo, but I love this product. It's called K, and it's actually called VIP, Volume in Powder, and it is a hairspray, but it has powder in it, so it gives it a really nice hold, but at the same time, it gives it really great volume. So when I'm blowing my hair out, after I finish, I use this. I'll put it in kind of to make it dirty because it does give it a little bit more volume, but it's like the back comb effect of finishing hairspray. So it's almost like you back combed your hair, but you didn't, because you know how it kind of gets all matted, but this is really good for building up your hair, and it's really good so if you want it to last all day. Like again, my hair gets super flat if I don't build it up, and so sometimes I don't like always using a mousse, but I find that the volume in the powder, it's called VIP, is great. I think you guys are gonna love this. So everyone knows I love a dry shampoo. I've taken it up a notch, okay? This one's called Amica, and this is called Texture Spray. So this is really great for volume, for texture, for thickening. It's kind of one step up from dry shampoo. It's awesome. It has buckthorn berry. It's like spraying literally perfume in your hair. It's so good. You guys are gonna love. I love the bottle. I love how fun it is. But again, just spray it down here, and you can spray it right before the curl had started, but we normally do it after we've done the curl, and we kind of just build it up. And I also use this sometimes in here because I get a little bit oily, and this works just a little bit better than dry shampoo. It adds. But again, if I use this too much, then I have to wash my hair. So again, a little goes a long way. But it's called Amica, and it's called Undone Texture Spray. Since I was about 21 years old, I have been using this product. That's why it is into the Hall of Fame right now, because we're going on 25 years. I first found this from a model 25 years ago. My hair was breaking because photo shoots are really, really tough on the hair. And she was like, you've got to take this fish pill. And I was like, oh, fish pill, what is that? Anyway, it was called Viviscal, and 25 years later, I'm still taking it. And I've sold a lot of these, and you can't take it while you're pregnant. You can't take it while you're breastfeeding. I cannot tell you how great this product is. I take it one in the morning, one in the evening. It's great, it promotes hair growth. I don't know why it works, it just works. But it is honestly an amazing thing for hair growth. And I keep taking it, and I take this in my prenatals, and those are my two secrets. But Viviscal, I'm telling you, it has worked, and I have been taking it off and on since I was 21 years old. But she is in the MVPs of the VIPs. It's Viviscal. It does taste a little bit fishy. Who cares? It's gonna make your hair grow. So just use it, just trust me. Last but not least, this is a product that I bought about 4 months ago. I know it's been around a while, but I got it actually for my husband. It's from Orbay, it's the Air Style, it's the flexible finish cream. What I love about this cream is it's not too heavy. It comes in a little pot, my husband uses it, I use it. I use it mainly on flyaways and mainly on my ends, but again, it's not too greasy, so you can kind of build up your hair. You can make it too greasy, of course, if you put too much on it, but it is really good for flyaways. It's really good right when you come from the hair salon. You know, you have all of these. It just works, and it's really, really good. It's called Flexible Finish Cream, and my husband loves it. I love it. It now is in the MVPs of the VIPs. So there you guys have it, my first video of my MVPs of my VIPs. What products do you guys want me to talk about next? Mama products, skincare, health. We can talk about health and fitness. You guys know I'm gonna talk about all my beauty products. I love doing these videos, and I love this series because really these products are the best of the best, and we get sent a ton of stuff, so I really am careful to ask all my girlfriends and all my friends and stylists and all the people that I work with really what are the best products from every category so I can share them with you guys. Let me know if you guys like this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on the next video.